Hey loves, it's Brianna. Welcome to today's Vlogmas video, which was highly requested. It's the what I got my kids for Christmas video. This is like the very last time I can film this because I'm actually having my girlfriends over for a wrapping night party because the kids are gonna be spending this like day and evening with their dad. And I started this tradition last year with my one girlfriend. 2 more girlfriends are joining in the tradition. And it is just so great. I would highly recommend doing this with a friend who, if they are in a divorce situation or if kids can go to grandma's house or whatever, it is just so fun to all get together, bring all the gifts, have a huge wrapping party, kind of tackle your to-do list together, right? So before I wrap all the gifts, I was just holding this for the thumbnail. I put them all behind me. I'm gonna go through what my kids' gifts are for Christmas. So if you are new here and just joining the channel, welcome. Hope you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. But I have a 9-year-old boy, his name's Landon. I have a 7-year-old girl named Presley. And then I have a 4-year-old boy named Hayden. So that was so weird. I don't know if the cat hit the way or something. The light just went out. But anyways, this is what I got my kids for Christmas 2024. Okay, I'm gonna start with my son, Landon's presents. Again, he's 9 years old. I'll show, I think on the screen here, his big present. That's kind of how it worked with my older 2 this year. His big present is he wanted an electric scooter. So that's his big present that I didn't lug in here. And then his stocking, if you watch one of my earlier Vlogmas vlogs, I did a stocking stuffer haul if you want to see everything I put in their stockings. But his stocking's a little heavier because he wanted some gift cards. He wanted like V-Bucks and Robux because he loves video games. So I guess it would be appropriate to show this little personalized ornament picked out for him. You know, do it at the mall. They put it on there. So that was one of his presents. He asked for a football. So he got a football. And he really loves sports. And since his name is Landon and we live in Cleveland, kind of my little thing that whenever I see anything that says the land on it, because that's what a lot of the sports stuff says for Cleveland sports, I get it for him. So saw this cute little Cavs hat. This is like their city. I actually love the city colors when they do the baby blue. I think they're so pretty. Sort of like the old school Cavs colors that were like the baby blue and orange, but a lot of the city stuff. And it's really cute too because it says like 216, Cleve the land on that too. But I like their city jerseys a lot for the Cavs. And then another hat I saw because he said he wanted like Cleveland sports stuff. This Browns the land hat. So he has that for Browns games. I was actually kind of mad because I ordered these on Amazon. I started like on my knees doing this because everything's just scattered on the floor. So I feel like I'm kind of uncomfortable. I need like knee pads or something. But I'm kind of mad. I ordered this from Amazon and I feel like the box is a little beat up. I mean, the shoes still look okay. But he picked out these shoes. He really wanted these. I don't know if they're Jordans or what they are. Honestly, I just let him pick them out. I was like, show me the ones you want. And so he got those. And then I thought that this shirt, this little Ohio shirt, that went really cute with the shoes. You know, since we have the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame here in Cleveland, and kind of made me think too of how we dressed up as all musicians for Halloween too. So I thought those would look cool together. And then, of course, another land shirt. So I kind of got him something that was for the Guardians, the Cavs, the Indians, Cleveland, all the things that can have this. This is like so soft too. This is from the, it's called Where I'm From. I know they have a store at like South Park Mall here in Cleveland. I think they have other locations too, but that's where the Browns hat and the, like this rock and roll shirt was from too. Then to go with the football, he asked for football gloves and I got the ones that, I don't know if you can do it. It's like, you put it up and it says like, haha. And then he loves Pringles, so I got him some Pringles. And he also asked for Starburst, so I got him a thing of Starburst. Okay, next we'll do Presley's stuff. So 2 big things that are hidden in my garage right now that I got for her because she loves gymnastics. I got a tumbling mat and this octagonal sort of like back flipping mat that she can use down the basement. And I liked this one because it came in like the more neutral color. I don't know, I'm weird. I like everything. I'm the sad beige mom, as I've heard other people call. Hey, don't play with that tree. Kailua. Dang it, I moved this chair. Hold on. Hey, out of there. No. No, out. 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 Ugh. I'm not gonna eat more wires. Oh, Oh, she's already ruined wires at the bottom of like 2 of my other Christmas trees. This one, I don't know if you can, yeah, I think you could see there's like a whole chunk on the bottom missing because she chewed through the wires. Oh, being a cat owner is fun. Really miss my dog. Anyways, I think I was saying sad beige mom. We can move on to other things. She asked for kinetic sand. So I found this one, like, I don't know, candy scented, Sandyland is what it's called. So got her that kinetic sand. And at Target, they were having like some kind of a, you know, deal if you bought a certain amount of toys. So I also got her the ice cream kinetic sand. She also is very specific. She's like, I want white Model Magic clay. So I got her a big tub of that. She also asked for a new journal and pens. So I thought this one was cute because it kind of looks like Kailua. It says stay positive. And then some rainbow pens. And this one's gonna make me cry. She asked for a stuffed Collie dog. So I found that one on Amazon and it is really, really soft. And I feel like it does look like our Collie. I miss her. It's still so hard. Some clothes stuff that I just saw for, because again, she's just like easy. I like see stuff for her all the time. I saw this cute little top with, which I just thought like Valentine's Day coming up. That was just like so adorable. It just screamed Presley. It has like the little rosette on it too. Love that. She also, forget where we were. I think one of my friends was wearing like a locket and she's like, oh, what are the pictures inside your locket? I want it. And I didn't print the pictures yet. Gotta try to do that ASAP. But I mean, if this goes under the tree without the pictures in it, it's fine. But I found this really cute. I wanted to show you guys it up close because I thought it was kind of neat. It's a little like rose gold locket. I don't know if you can see on the front. It's almost like roses and a butterfly. I don't know if it's gonna focus on it. Maybe I can find a picture of it online. I don't think my camera's gonna focus, but I just thought that was really, really pretty and unique. That little rose gold locket. And then Hayden was with me actually when we picked out like their little personalized ornaments. So got her the little cheerleader one that says Presley. And she also loves slime. I don't know if any of your kids love like the Peachy Babies channel, but I think that's like the slime channel she always watches on here. So I made sure I found a Peachy Babies one. This was the chocolate chip cookie dough one. She asked for the key lime one and I couldn't find it anywhere online, so whoops. And then Hayden picked this one out for her, which she was so cute. She was shopping with me the one day. It says Meowie Christmas, and it has like little cat and beads. I guess that goes in the slime. I don't know what kind of scent this one is. Cloud slime? I don't know. And then this is one of her other big gifts. She has been asking a long time for an iPad, so I got the iPad and I got the little butterfly case then for with it. And her and Landon are doing ski club this year, and he already has everything because when we did our one-on-one trips this past year, Landon and I went to Vail, so he already has all his stuff for skiing, but she just needed a new pair of like bib, you know, ski pants, overalls, and some long johns, and she got a new ski coat as well then, so it all coordinates for her. Okay, and now for Hayden, who just turned 4. He was my hardest kid to shop for this year because I feel like he already just has so many toys because of everything that got handed down from Landon and Presley. And yeah, he was just difficult. But I talked to some friends. Some of you gave me recommendations too, because I even said this in the stocking stuffer video. And for kids like around his age, like what their favorite things are. So this little wobble disc was recommended to me by my friend Molly. She's my photographer for a lot of stuff on here too. She always takes like our family photos and anytime I need her help with photo stuff. But she got this, I think she said for her niece, and it was like a huge hit. So that's like his big gift this year. He did when we were out shopping, because I took him shopping with me and I was just like, is there anything you see? He really wanted this. I mean, he honestly already has like so many cars that look like this, but I know the little truck thing, I think that just appealed to him. So he got that too. Got him some popcorn because literally, I swear, like what he wants to eat every single day. He comes home from school and is like, Mommy, can you make popcorn for me? So got him popcorn. This was another game Molly recommended to me. She really came in the clutch. But it's called Seekaboo. She said also her niece, who's like the same age as Hay, absolutely loves this game. So got him that. And I think I got served this as an Amazon ad after somebody, I think I was DMing about it. And it's a little dinosaur. You try to like shoot the balls, I guess, with the gun into their mouth. And I don't know, it looks really fun and cute. So that one for him too. Some boring things just because I was like, I wanted to have stuff to, you know, unwrap like all the other kids. Some new underwear, some new socks. He also, when I was there with him getting, and he's like, oh, Presley would want the slime. He thought that this snowman slime is like called melted snowman. It's actually really cute because it has the pieces of like what you'd put on a snowman. He was talking about this one, so I was like, I secretly got it for him. And then I got him this because at one of the travel soccer games, because Presley plays travel soccer, my girlfriend, her daughter had this little magnet. It was basically like you move the cars and park them in parking spots that match up with different letters. She thought I ordered that too, but maybe it hasn't come. Or maybe I haven't found it. That might be one of the ones like said it was getting delivered to like the 23rd. So fingers crossed it comes. At least this one came. This one is the colors one, and you like put the colors where they belong for the ice cream. But I know I got him there's like one that's like parking spots with the alphabet. So like you park the car with the letter on it in like the right parking spot. So to help with, you know, colors and letters. Then I also got him this tulle Play-Doh kit because he does like Play-Doh. Gloves because we are always, or mittens I guess, we are always just losing them. And then I think these are gonna be the gifts that like Landon is going to give him because Landon had this big thing where he's like, Nike's what's cool right now. So, oh, I know my grandma got him some like Nike and Under Armour stuff. Those are the two things he said that were cool. So one little Nike set, another Nike set. I like this color on him too. I feel like because he has dark brown eyes and hair, like he looks really nice in this color in particular. The blue too, because they kind of contrast each other, you know? And then when I was Target, I forget which day I went, but they had like a huge sale on all the Cat and Jack stuff. So I got him this little set in blue, kind of more of an aqua blue. And then I got him some pants and a little matching striped top. So he's got some cute new outfits for the new year. But that is everything I got my kids for Christmas this year. Please let me know down in the comments what was the #1 thing on your Christmas list and your kids' Christmas list. I know for me, what I've just been doing as a single mom, because I obviously want my kids to also understand that like part of this season is getting gifts for those that we love, is like I will have Landon, Presley, and Hayden all pick out something for each other. Like, you know, Presley will get something for Landon and Hayden and vice versa. But then I also tell them just some things that are on my wish list that I would like. And it's been cute. I've kind of taken them into Target and I give them a budget. And I say like, okay, like you can pick 3 to 5 things for mom. And they'll usually try to find some of the things that are on my wish list, but then they'll pick out really cute things for me too. It was really sweet, even at the mall. You might have seen in the vlog a couple days ago, Landon was even like, Mom, I want to go to Bath and Body Works, and he wanted to go to K Jewelers and buy me something, and it was over his budget, but it was still just the thought that counted, that he was like thinking of something he wanted to get me really special, and it just touches your heart. You know, I feel like that's part of this whole holiday season, is just that you think about the ones you love and let them like, you know how you know them and care about them and what they're interested in, and getting them something that's really special. And I just have so much gratitude for my mom and dad and my grandma and grandpa and just everyone in my family growing up who I feel like made those childhood Christmases so freaking special. Like, you know, if I had a time machine, I probably would want to go back in time to some of those Christmases and just, I'm gonna tear up, like relive them as an adult, because they really were just like so special and magical. And just a huge thank you to my mom, because I know that she watches these videos, and I feel like she made so much Christmas magic happen for us. And that's part of the reason I wanted to be a mom. Like I wanted to be a mom to do all those really special magical traditions with my kids too. And it's like so cool to be doing it now. But okay, my phone is clearly blowing up right now. And I've actually got to run to the kids' school Christmas parties. That's why I kind of was wearing a little festive earrings and sweater to go to that. But just thank you for being here for my family. And I truly mean this from the bottom of my heart. I could not give my kids this Christmas if it weren't for all of you supporting this YouTube channel and my family over all of these years. So just thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm wishing you the merriest Christmas, the happiest holidays, a wonderful new year, and I just love you so much. And I'll see you in the next Vlogmas video. Bye, love.
And family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
Trouble. I didn't share what I got you for Christmas. Because you're on the naughty list, you're getting coal. You're on the grumpy list, that's for sure.